Did you know that you can learn how to draw by going to portraitartacademy.com? The link is at the bottom. I'm pretty sure they did not know that. I did. Of course you did, but the people watching this did not know. Well, now they do. So we're going to continue with the hair here. We'll start from the top. And if I squint my eyes, so you have to squint your eyes, I can see some of these zebra lines. Like some are just darker than others, and so I'm trying to create spaces in between them. It's a little bit darker over here. Obviously, I mean, I don't know how obvious that is, but sure. And some lines over here. Here I want this flow here. So basically there's like a light area right there. And then over here, this is actually a lot lighter too. See that? And just kind of goes into here. A lot happening on this side. So this area has become darker. That was the whole purpose of it. Here there's some light. See, and so here there's like, this is really light right here. Here, this is a little tricky right here. There's a lot going on. It's kind of grayish, but there's like some dark, thick lines that go between it. So yeah, that was a little tricky. And then there's a little patch right there. Nothing is perfect, so they just kind of go all around, right? So and that's where you get the hair. And then the paper just kind of curves a little bit because I'm like pressing on it so hard. This is pretty thin paper. I could have used thicker paper, I guess. And there is the sleeve. Basically, I think this portrait is ready, except for the shirt. Now, I'm gonna do one more comparison. I think all of this is still a little grayish. But yeah, this is what it is. And so we're going to do the shirt. I'm going to draw the shirt. And then we'll be done. It looks nice, doesn't it? And I can put my signature here, my autograph. Don't forge it. I will be famous someday.